In this video, we're going to take a look at householding our accounts. Householding can be used to group accounts together for reporting purposes. You may wish to group husband and wife accounts together, or parent and child accounts together. Householding is an easy way to accomplish that combining of accounts under one umbrella. So here we are at our main screen after logging into AssetBook. If we click on the Households tab, this is going to take us to a list of households that we have available within the system. If we click Open next to one of our households, here is our household details screen. We can see the name of the household owner. We can see their phone numbers, addresses. What we really want to look at is the accounts within this household. So I'm going to click on the Accounts tab. Here I can see all of the accounts that are associated with this household. If for some reason I wish to move an account out of this household, I can click the Open link next to that account, and from within the Account Detail tab, I can reassign which household this account belongs to. I simply need to click on the drop-down menu and then choose which household I want to move this account to. Once I've chosen a household to move this account into, I can click on Save or Save and Close. And if I click on Refresh, I'm going to see that that account is no longer in this household. Another way we can change our households is by going into the account itself. So I'm going to go to the Accounts tab, and if I click on the Open link next to one of my accounts, I can change the household here as well. This is the same as changing the household by going to the household and then opening the account. This is just a different way of accomplishing the same task. If I want to change households, but let's say the household that I want to move certain accounts into no longer exists or has never existed within the system, I can manually create a new household. Under the Households tab, I'm going to click on New Household, and I can fill out as much or as little information as I choose. I definitely want to give it a name. So for instance, maybe I want to move all of my closed accounts under one household, where I can see all of my previous accounts that have been closed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and Close, and if I go back to my household list, I can see that I now have a household called Closed Accounts. My next step would be to move accounts into that household. So for this scenario, I'm looking for closed accounts, so I'm going to go to the Accounts tab, and I'm looking for accounts that have a status of closed. Currently, I have hidden closed accounts. So what I'm going to do is click on Show Closed Accounts. Then I'm going to sort by status, and here I can see that I have several closed accounts. So if I want to move these, I simply click on Open, and I can choose my closed account household. Let me go ahead and move this one as well. And if we go back to our household list and we click on Closed Accounts and we go to our Accounts tab, I can now see that these accounts have been moved into this household.